First, let's understand the basics of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is all about when you eat, not what you eat. It's not about starving yourself. It's about getting your body a break from constant eating. Our bodies are used to running on the energy we get from food, especially sugars and carbs. But what if we tapped into our fat reserves for energy instead? That's where intermittent fasting comes in. At its core, intermittent fasting means having specific windows of time where you eat and periods where you don't. It's like training your body to be more efficient in using fat as fuel. Imagine you eat dinner at 7 p.m. and don't eat again until 11 a.m. the next day. That's a 16-hour fasting window. Then, during the 8-hour eating window, you have your meals. It's about allowing your body to rest and repair during fasting. If you're new to intermittent fasting, don't immediately jump into a 16-hour fasting period. Start with a more comfortable 12-hour fasting window, basically just skipping breakfast. Gradually increase your fasting window as your body gets used to it. Everyone's body is different, so listen to your hunger cues and don't push too hard too soon. Besides weight loss, intermittent fasting has some impressive benefits. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, which means better blood sugar control. Plus, it might boost your metabolism and give your digestive system a break. Some even experience increased focus and energy levels during fasting. But remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Always consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your eating habits. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to intermittent fasting. It's all about finding a fasting style that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Let's explore a couple of popular options. 16/8 method, the stepping stone. The 16/8 method is excellent for beginners. It involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. For instance, you could eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and then fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. This method is easy to adjust and gives your body ample time to tap into those fat reserves. Another popular fasting method is Eat Stop Eat, a 24-hour challenge. Another approach is the Eat Stop Eat method. Here, you fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you finish dinner at 7 p.m. and don't eat until 7 p.m. the next day. It might sound intense, but remember, you're sleeping for a good portion. Just make sure to stay hydrated during the fasting period. The final approach to fasting is the 5-2 diet, caloric control. If you're looking for a less restrictive approach, the 5-2 diet might be your thing. You usually eat for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake around 500 to 600 calories for the other 2 days. This method can be more straightforward for some to stick to since you're not fasting daily. Now that you know the basics, let's explore some tips for smoothing your intermittent fasting journey. 1. Stay hydrated and mindful. During fasting periods, drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee to stay hydrated and avoid hunger. Be mindful of your body's hunger signals. It might be time to break your fast if you feel starving and not just hungry. 2. Balanced meals matter. When it's time to eat, focus on balanced, nutrient-dense meals. Incorporate healthy fats, lean proteins, whole grains, and veggies. These foods will keep you satisfied and fuel your body effectively. 3. Be patient and listen to your body. Intermittent fasting is a journey, not a race. Your body needs time to adjust. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Listen to your body. If a specific fasting style doesn't work for you, try a different one. The goal is to create a sustainable, healthy routine. Congratulations, you're now armed with the basics of intermittent fasting. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you, being patient, and caring for your body. If you're considering intermittent fasting for weight loss, consult a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right choice. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and inspiration on weight loss with Lisa. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.